You just incorporated your medical PC. Congratulations. Here are the first 3 things I always recommend clients get set up in the first week to make things much smoother. Number 1, open a corporate bank account. Your corporation is a separate legal entity and its money needs its own home. So pick the simplest, cheapest banking plan your bank offers. You can always upgrade later, and ask for a business credit card in the corporation's name so its spending stays on its own card. If you can't get or don't want a credit card, then a Visa or MasterCard debit card works just fine. Credit cards get a slight edge with payment terms and points, but for the kind of spending that runs through a typical PC, cleaner books win all day long over $40 of points. Number 2, test your CRA access. Your corporation has a CRA business number, and you need to be able to actually get in to administer things. Log in to your CRA My Business Account for the corporation. That's where you see what CRA sees: your balances, your mail, who's authorized to speak to CRA on your behalf. Test that login today. It is much better to find out now that you can't get in than to find out the month your return is due or right after you've changed accountants. This is sort of like the keys to the kingdom on the tax side of things, so make sure your access works. And make sure you review the addresses on file now rather than getting a call from CRA a year later about notices that you never received because they went to your old lawyer's office. Number 3, start bookkeeping in month 1. Yes, I know it sounds boring. I set clients up on zero, but the tool matters much less than starting to track things early. Keeping up month by month is relatively easy. Reconstructing a year of activity in the weeks before your first corporate return is due is not exactly fun. And that's where you often see deductions missed and a bookkeeping setup that often gets slapped together to meet a deadline. Start while start while there are 10 transactions to track instead of hundreds. And a bit of a bonus item here, you incorporated so your income flows through your corporation, but that only happens once the deposits actually land there. Contact whoever pays you, your hospital system, your clinic admin, whoever controls your deposits. Give them your corporation's details and the direct deposit form for your new corporate bank account. And from that point on, or realistically in 1 or 2 payment cycles, they pay the corporation, not you personally. Without this change, you're incorporated on paper, but you're paid like you're not. So that's your first week. Bank account, CRA access, bookkeeping, and start flowing your income through your PC. I hope this was helpful. If so, I have a longer video covering some of the next questions you might have right after incorporating. Please leave any questions you have in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.